Hi guys, I want to talk to you about ginger root today. It is an absolute benefit when it comes to energy and the energy that lasts and doesn't crash throughout the day. So let's get into it. I'm going to bring this. Hopefully you guys can still see me. Okay, so I'm going to start, as I always do, with the vitamins and minerals. It has and now these vitamins, it has vitamins A and C, and it has a substantial amount of both of them. It has B1, B3, B5, B6. Now, B6 is for brain development and function, so your cognitive function and your focus. It has manganese, I always say that wrong, potassium, magnesium, iron, zinc, copper, calcium, sodium, and phosphorus. Now, it's been used for thousands of years when it comes to diabetes, high blood pressure, cancer, apparently. These things probably weren't called that back in the day, but we've got them now. So this is really beneficial for it. And there's been a lot of research done on it. So ginger is a natural antibiotic. Not many things are. So it's really good to know that. And that is why it's so beneficial at cold and flu season and any type of infection. So it is also an antiseptic, antibiotic, antifungal, antimicrobial, anti-obesity, which I'll get back into in a minute, anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory. It's a very high antioxidant. It's anti-ulcer, and bonus ladies, it's anti-aging, and I'll get into that in a bit. It's also an analgesic, so it helps with pain. It's just like an amazing thing to get into your body. So it's great for any kind of GI stress, whether it's diarrhea, nausea, vomiting, motion sickness. It's good for all of that because it really does benefit your digestion. So it stimulates the production of saliva, bile, and gastric enzymes. And what that does is it helps break down the food in your system, right? It aids in that, especially in the efficiency of burning calories. It stabilizes your blood sugar, which gives you more energy, helping you feel more alert and awake, right? And focused. So, and you don't get the energy crashes that you would with pops or energy drinks or any of that. It has boosts your serotonin levels naturally. So it lifts your mood and it reduces anxiety. So it's just all around great for all of your systems. So it helps with acid reflux. A lot of people have acid reflux because of the things that are in our foods, especially processed foods. Anything that is pre-cooked, pre-done, in any way is going to be high in a lot of things that we really shouldn't have going into our bodies. Anyways, so it helps with acid reflux, with bloating, with weight loss, because it has what's called thermogenesis. So due to the prebiotic fiber in it, also it helps with weight loss. So ginger's thermogenesis effect increases fat burning and helps you stay full longer. So it aids in burning fat in our systems with this thermogenesis effect that it has on us. It's also, and it makes you feel full longer, which is a great thing because then you don't want to eat. Cardiovascular system. It is so great. It reduces the fat around arteries, which is huge, and it keeps the arterial walls healthy. Again, you want to put together all your different plants to get a full rounded medicinal benefit to your body. So it lowers LDL cholesterol, which is the bad cholesterol, right? We want that out of there anyways, so that's a bonus. It improves your insulin resistance, lowers sugar, blood sugars and blood pressure and stress. So now for skin health, this is an amazing one. I love it. It slows down the natural breakdown of collagen. So our bodies naturally break down our collagen, and this slows that process down. Again, bonus. It reduces cellulite and controls the enzymes that cause you to look older and have bumpy skin. It improves your circulation. It controls your pore sizes, again, with that whole thermogenesis. So it's great for acne, eczema, psoriasis, any kind of skin irritation or problem. And it's super easy to grow, you guys. You know, you can buy it from the grocery store. Like in this piece, I cut it a couple times. So I've been using this for tea. I just got it from the grocery store. You want to look for the ones that have the sprouts coming out the end of them, because then all you do is, I took this old gravy boat that I'm not using anymore. I put some sand in the bottom because ginger doesn't like to sit in water. It likes to be wet but doesn't like to sit in it. So I've used the sand and then some cocoa coir. I cut this chunk off that has that little growth coming out of it. I'll just stick it in some dirt, cover it up, and I'll just keep it watered. Typically what I'll do when I first get the cocoa coir wet is I'll just leave it for a couple of weeks, and then when it looks dry, I'll just start misting the soil. Okay, so easy to grow. Okay, so once you grow it or buy it, you can peel it if it's not organic. If it's organic, I still suggest that you scrub it off a little bit. You can dice it up and powder it into your spice cupboard so you can use it in more dishes conveniently. You can freeze it. It lasts pretty good in the fridge for quite a while. And you can add it to everything. Throw it in a smoothie in the breakfast. Put it in your tea. Now, if you're going to make a pot of tea with using ginger, it is a root. So, again, you would peel it all off. Dice it up into fairly small pieces so you have more surface area. Put it into, I don't know, a piece, this probably 4 cups of hot water. And you want to bring it up, but you don't want to boil it. You just want to let it simmer for about 15 to 30 minutes. And I recommend putting a lid on it just so you don't lose any of those volatile oils and whatnot into the air. And that's it. So I hope you guys check it out. Grow some today. Oh, and another little thing, a little bonus I want to give you guys. So I buy my green onions, right? We all buy green onions. We like them on our baked potato and stuff. And then I have this little cup. I used all these ones up and they're not growing so good. So I throw those out. I stick these in this little cup. Put a little bit of water. Just enough to cover the roots at the bottom. And now I have fresh green onions in the house as I need them. So I hope you guys enjoyed the content. Thank you so much for coming by my channel. Smash the thumbs up. Share it to your friends and family and consider subscribing. Have a good day. Bye-bye.